Hey, welcome to our quick guide on resetting your JBL GO free speaker. I'm going to show you the simple reset button combination. Make sure that your speaker is turned on. Now here's the magic combo. Press and hold the volume up and Bluetooth buttons together for about 10 seconds. Keep your finger on them until you see the LED indicator switch off and hear that sound. Your speaker is ready to be used, all fresh and clean. To fire it back up, just give that power button a little tap. Thanks for watching. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe so our channel pops up the first when you search for solutions.